guys, welcome to my channel, and today I'm going to be teaching you another thing about Canva. So the first thing we're going to do is search Canva in our search bar, and after that on the upper right part you can see the word create design. So you can choose what kind of project we'll be doing, but today we are going to be doing or making our very own poster. That's right. So find the word poster, it's located at the top, or you can use the poster landscape. So I prefer using the landscape kind of poster. So after that, we're just gonna have to wait for it to load. So as you can see, there are a lot of templates that Canva is offering us, but I prefer not to use these templates, but I can use the color as a background. So as you can see, I'm using the template background since I like the color. Now we are going to be making our very own poster for today. So I'm going to make this poster as simple as possible for you. So we're going to be getting some shapes from the elements. So I'm going to be using the square. So if you don't like the color, you can change the color in the upper right or upper left part, as you can see. And then after that, after applying your element, you can then now put your text. You can choose your very own font from the text area. So I'm going to be using this font since this is kind of since this font looks a bit good, or it looks better. So we're gonna type the title of our poster. So let's say the title of my first poster is YouTube art. So we're gonna be putting the word YouTube art at the top part as the title of our poster. Next, we're going to be putting a line in the middle in order to divide the things that we need to divide, like the certain information that we need to divide. So we're going to be putting a line in the center. After that, you can choose, like I said, you can choose photos from your uploads or your own device, or you can choose the photos that Canva is offering you. Since I don't have enough photos in my computer, I'm going to be using the photos that Canva is offering me. So you can put this template right here. So since our content is all about YouTube, we are going to be using. So since our poster is going to be about YouTube, that's why I search YouTube at the photo, so we can use different photos about YouTube. So let's move on to the next part of this process. So next is you can search on Google some information about YouTube, like what is YouTube all about, what's the purpose of YouTube, or what does YouTube do. So as you can see right now, I'm only copy pasting some of the informations, but I'm only copy pasting some of the information. But if you were to make your very own poster someday or after this video, make sure to always rephrase the different information you got from the internet to avoid any malicious acts. So as you can see, I have already pasted the information on my poster, but again, make sure to paraphrase or rephrase the information you get from the internet once you make your very own poster. So the same thing follows. You can keep on copy pasting, or you can keep on, so the same thing follows, just keep on rephrasing the information from Google and then put the information in your poster. After all that, you can add some art in your poster, like put some different elements or shapes in your poster in order to make it look more appealing, just like this one. It's not as appealing as it should be, but you can make yours even more creative than mine. So you can change the color again depending on the color that you want. And so since I didn't like the format of my poster, since I find it really plain, I'm gonna put a background in it a little bit. So it's gonna be the YouTube icon. So as you can see, there it is right now. Once you are done, you can download it. You can see the download button on the upper part or upper right part of the screen. So once you're done downloading it, you can see it and view it. So that is it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you learned something about Canva, and try your best to be creative with Canva. See you on my next video.